Well, I don't think I fixed it because here's what it's doing now. I'll show you. That was the first time I'd ever seen that live screen. That was a miracle. And I've tried it multiple times. So here we have the same scan disk. I haven't done anything to it. Just stopped the video real quick. And here's what I booted earlier. And maybe it's because I waited a second and it went to that screen. But here's what it does. And this screen will stay here for hours. I don't know why that other screen came up with live and everything like that. But man, I can just sit here and wait. It looks like the USB's doing something, but I mean it'll just sit here. Well, that's crazy. I've never seen it do that before, except when I made this video. And that's what I booted. Same thing. So boot 64.EFI does the same thing. The screen will stay here forever too, so it doesn't do anything. And here's the screen that it shows something about a floppy disk. Boot legacy OS from USB, I think. Yeah. It's not a bootable disk. Please insert a bootable floppy and press any key and try again. Which is kind of funny because I haven't seen floppies in years. So this is probably an old screen, old error screen. I'm going to load it up one more time just for fun and try to boot that system. I'm going to make sure my USB's in there real good and try to boot that system Linux from EFI real quick and just to mess around, see if that screen will come back up. And nope. Dead screen. Alright, so I've tried all three options with a miracle happening on one that I've never seen before. I've loaded this program so many times. I'm going to shut down my computer real quick. I'm going to take this scan disk out, the one that was loaded the way that Kali Linux told me to load it with the copy it over and whatnot. I'm going to use this one that I copied with the Mac Linux loader program, and I'll show you what happens here. And I've made a video of this specifically, this one. This one only gives me two options: boot 64 and boot EFI from boot. And so we'll try this one first because I know it doesn't work. This is the screen that it pops up. It says loading Linux kernel done. Alloc magic is broken. Yada yada yada. Press any key to exit. And exit that, and that went back here. So I'll boot 64. Now here is where it says welcome to enterprise version 0.1 available boot options. So boot from ISO file won't work. I'm going to try 9 just for fun. Okay, here's what it says. Attempting to boot Linux distribution now. Booting in blind mode. And it'll load up. Looks all nice and everything. Looks like it's going to work for you. But comes up with this screen, and I'll show you what I mean here in a second. This screen. And a lot of people are getting this screen. It's not just me. This is a big issue here. Username, I'm going to try root, and password Tor. No, doesn't work. I've tried tons of passwords on this, and for the sake of time, I'm not going to do that right now. But just to show you what I mean. And there were other boot options. I'll try one on the video just for fun. I'll try 1. This is no mode set, which I heard on a blog that this one might work, so that's why I tried it. But it's going to boot in blind mode probably. Maybe. Might just sit here forever. And it's not going to do anything. The USB drive is asleep, so it's definitely not going to do anything. No mode set won't work. Try another option. We'll try 2, just for fun. Still gonna boot in blind mode. It might sit there forever too. It might sit here, or it might not. I don't know what it's gonna do because I haven't loaded it from this option. No mode set didn't work, and I heard on a blog that it might, so it didn't. It's probably going to load up to the same screen. Yep. I don't know what the deal is on this. And I'll show you another boot mode. Sorry this video is so long. I'm just trying to be as detailed as possible. So boot Linux from ISO file, that's just number 1. But see, it does this. Keeps booting in blind mode. I'll try to get that on. Oh well. It's gonna come up again. Same login. Nothing. And here you can change. I don't know if this will help any viewers or not, but you can change the. Gotta hold down and click that, but you can change Genome Classic, System Default. I've tried all 3 with different logins. Still doesn't work, so I'm just going to do a shutdown. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube. Probably put it in a few like websites or whatnot. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you somehow, or, you know, if you're having the same issues that I'm having, let me know, or whatnot. And I've tried to contact Kali Linux. And we'll see if they contact me back. I'd love to try to, I don't know how to fix these issues, but I'd love to, you know, learn, you know, what the problem is so I can help, you know, on different versions of Kali Linux, or, you know, just for fun. I love computers, and I wish this would work. But they'll probably come out with another version and probably won't even bother. I don't know. I'm hoping that's not the case, but usually every time you try to get something fixed on one version, they make another version, and it has just as many problems as the other version. So they should just keep one version and just keep fixing that one. I mean, that's my opinion, but we'll see. So thanks for watching. Bye.